Joy Jackson, and I am here to make your body move. You have reached body repair number 4. For body repair number 4, we're going to do an intense thigh workout. Help reduce that cellulite, okay? All right, so let me tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need your floor mat. You're going to need a pillow. Along with your energetic self, okay? So let's get down on the floor. We're going to warm our thighs up first, okay? Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just kick out about 8 times, okay? So let me show you, and then you just join in, okay? You're going to put your hands back and you're going to lean back. You're going to go just like this, okay? All right, join me 8 times. Okay, all right. You can kind of lean forward now. Just warming your thighs up. And press down on your thighs with your elbow. See, I'm just leaning back with my elbow. Just want to warm the thighs up. Wake them up. All right, and then go into a straddle move. Come on. Try to have your legs down and go as far as you can forward, like if you're trying to touch your feet. Or you can touch your feet. All right. That's our thigh movement. Okay? And so, the first exercise we're going to do is called a leg lift. So we're going to go from here. Okay. All right. And we're going to just lift our legs straight up. All right. Like that. Come on. Be 5 more. You feel the burning? Keep the legs straight. All right. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Come on, hold it. No pain, no gain. All right, bring it down. Okay. On to your next leg. Straight up. And 5 more. Hold it, hold it, hold it, straight out, hold it, bring it in. Okay, now we're going to do a leg tap from side to side. So you're going to hold your leg out like that, and you're going to go here. You're going to act like you're tapping the floor, but you're not going to touch the floor. And you're going to go back on that side. All right? All right, let's go. Don't touch the floor. Come on. Give me 10. Come on. Hold the leg up. Hold the leg up. 5 more. Hold it up in the air. Bring it down to tap. But you're not tapping the floor. 2 more. All right. Go to the other side, make sure you're away from the wall. Legs straight up first, okay? Then you go in like if you're tapping the floor and out like you're tapping the floor. But you're not going to tap, you're going to keep your leg up, okay? Come on, you got this. No pain, no gain. Keep that leg straight. 5 more. Come on. Yes, if you're feeling it, you're doing it right. Come on. 2 more. All right. Woo, did you feel that? All right. Okay. Now we're going to take our thighs and we're going to push it out like that. Okay? All right? Give me 10. Come on. Come on. 5 more. All right. Side, other side. Let's go. Five more. Feel them insides. You're supposed to be feeling. Okay. Don't come up. All right, let's get our pillows. Okay. Try to fold it a little. You're going to put it in your thigh area and you're going to squeeze. Come on, squeeze. Squeeze. Let's count to 10. Squeeze. Release. Okay, you're going to give it all you got. Give it all you got. Come on. Squeeze. Release. Let's do it one more time. You're going to squeeze. Go. Whew. Okay. All right. Now we're going to repeat. Okay, you're going to get back on the floor. We're going to repeat. All right. Everything but the warm-up now. All right. So now you're going to take your leg again. Put it all the way up. Come on, a little more. Take your leg. Put it all the way up. All right. And come on, give me 10. Keep your leg straight. Come on. All right, come on. Next leg. Let's go. Let's work. Straight up. 5 more. All right. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right, bring it in. All right. We're going for our leg taps. Our leg tap, but you're not going to tap the floor. You're going to keep your leg up, but you're going in a position like if you're tapping, okay? So, let's take our left leg, go like that, and bring it out. Have it up in the air, then bring it down like if you're going to tap. 2. Come on. Come on, you got it. 5 more. You got this. Yes, work them thighs. 1 more. Bring it down. All right. Let's work the other side. Ready? Go. Lift that leg up. Come on. You got it. Come on. 5 more. Come on, get that leg up there. Bring it down, up. Bring it down, up. Come on, 2 more. All right. Whew. Okay. All right. Back into our butterfly. 10. Other side. Go. All right, up. Final move. All right. Let's go. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. Now you're going to give it all you got. Come on, last one. Let's go. You have complete body repair number 4. Continue to work out. Eat right. Be patient. And your body will reward you. Looking forward to body repair number 5. I'll see you tomorrow. You have a super fantastic day.